Religious discrimination still is the most serious problem in our world, and it affects employment law as well. I had a case that I was an amicus on, Cutler versus Dorn, in which the court had actually said that discrimination against religion is not as important as discrimination on the basis of sex or race, and therefore it's not entitled to the same protection. I gathered a group of many special interest groups, and we went to the Supreme Court in New Jersey and were able to overturn that. This story is a story about my great-great-grandfather, Zalman Richman, who suffered the worst form of religious discrimination in Europe, and tells a story about why it is that we can never close our eyes to the danger of religious discrimination.